thank you very much for your coming. So it's so glad to have you here to join us for our South European distributor meeting and Ignite picnic workshop. Appreciate for your coming and join. Thank you very much. Good market in Europe, especially GNSS. No doubt it's our main important products here. And last year for Inno8 and V2, and this year AirPass for the total RTK, which we can including all the technology in one item.
So this small model equipped with one camera here. So you can see here it has a small camera and it's used for AR stakeout. This camera makes a lot of difference. It can do the photogrammetry functions. So it can shoot the video or take some pictures of the target, and after the calculations it can calculate its coordinate. So, and also the image data installed inside can be used for 3D modeling. So that's one step. This is a very basic and entrance-grade 3D modeling tools. It's in the SGO, so also the software is used for processing the static data. Basic introduction to the hardware of NS10 and 30 and introduction to the software. And in the third part, I will very briefly introduce the one-person surveying workflow. So how to use the robotic total station in the field by just one person. Yeah, so this is the basic hardware of NS10. So you can see there the accuracy of it and the measuring distance is 6,000 meters.